The question for day 26 is, let me quickly read out the question. What are the core AWS services and why are they considered foundational? Okay, now let me explain you the second part of the question first. Why are they considered as foundational? Now, we all know that if we want to construct a building, we need to lay the foundation first. On the foundation, over the foundation, we can construct multiple floors, right? On a similar line, if you want to build a virtual data center on AWS cloud, you need to deploy or you need to use foundational services so that you can using or on top of foundational services or along with foundational services you can add additional services, you can use other services, you can deploy your resources. Now let me go a little back because as I said virtual data center, so let us understand first what is a data center. A data center is a place where you keep your data, where you manage your data, where the data gets generated, where the data is protected. So data center is the place where you keep your data. Now, where exactly you keep your data? To keep the data, what is required? A storage device. So you keep your data on a storage device. Now, how do you access your data? You access the data by using a server. So through server, you access your data. You also keep your data in a database. If you want your data to be kept in a more organized manner, you take help of database. And to provide your services to your customer, you deploy application. And to deploy application, what is required? A server. Now it is not just one server. You need or you deploy multiple server in your data center because to create highly available environment, redundant environment, also to deploy multiple application. You would need multiple server. So you deploy multiple server, you connect the server over the network, right? So what all services are required? What all services I have listed so far? The compute, that is virtual server, a network, storage for keeping your data, database for keeping your data in a organized, structured or unstructured manner so that you can find the important elements from the data, or you can find the most its your information from the data, right? So these are the things which are required to set up a data center. Now this I spoke about a physical data center. Now what if we want to do similar thing on the AWS cloud? Definitely we would need services, compute. So now I'm listing out the core services offered by AWS. EC2 compute, right? For storage, S3, VPC for network, and RDS for database. I'm just listing the popular one, but yeah, definitely there are multiple services under each of these categories: compute, network, storage, and database. So these are the core services which are required, which are used by almost every customer. And hence these are known as foundational services. So foundational services are the building blocks of your data center. EC2, S3, VPC, RDS, having a good understanding of these services is very important. Once you understand the services, then you can just explore other AWS services. Okay, so I hope you found this information useful. So for more such questions and content, subscribe to my channel, and my channel name you already know, DUK-Do, and keep learning.